Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 15. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning so far, or afternoon is when this will be posted, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Let's see. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. I want to talk about something that happened on the 13th and 14th that YouTube said, because I thought this would just be interesting to mention. But they were going through everybody's accounts and deleting the spam accounts that are subscribed to their channel. So I was thinking here, like sitting here like, oh, I might be screwed because I'm a newer YouTuber and I'm a small channel, and usually like they said that it happens to a lot more small channels. So on the 13th and 14th they said that you would like see your subscriber count go down. Well, I saw mine go down a little bit, and I was just like, okay, maybe people are just unsubscribing, and then I remembered that it was YouTube was cleaning out the subscribers. We only lost 6. So I think that's really good, and I'm hoping that none of those subscribers were actual like subscribers and they just like took them off, because I know sometimes that happens. But if so, please subscribe again. I don't know what to tell you about that whole ordeal, but I would love to thank all you loyal fans. I'm still getting together stuff for our giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out like what I want to give. I have one item that I'm for sure doing right now, and then I just have to get some things, and then we're gonna be golden. So I'd say by next week I'll have it done. I'm walking over my room to look at the calendar. I'd say by next week I'd have it done, and then we could get it going and send it out. So let's go do our advent calendar. That's what this video is mostly going to be based on, is the advent calendar, because I'm not the biggest fan of what it has come to this year. I know a lot of people have already unboxed all of them and read the back and stuff, but I wanted to do like the surprise element for you guys. Well, there's dog hair on my lens. Okay, so I'm not getting it. But I wanted to do the surprise element, and right now I'm just disappointed, to be honest. So we're gonna see what we get today, because if this is just Sephora again extra, I know for sure I will not be repurchasing it, because it's not worth any type of money. And I don't have to put you guys on the tripod again because I already have you on there. So we're looking for day 15. Day 15 is down here. And we got a notepad of sticky notes of an owl. What? Like, are you kidding me? I never like sounding ungrateful or anything, but I thought this, because I didn't look at the back and I didn't want to, I thought this was supposed to be a makeup advent calendar. I mean, I can use these. I can. I don't know how I'm gonna write on this. I write huge. I'm just a little annoyed at it right now. Like, that makes me wonder if the rest of it I'm gonna be getting little itty bitty things or not. Like, we're still gonna open this until the 24th. But I just don't get it. This was also $45. This whole, I just dropped this stupid notepad. This whole thing was $45. And it is disappointing, because I knew it was only going to be Sephora things from the Sephora collection. I was fine with that. I've never really tried the Sephora collection, so I was actually super excited to try some out of the stuff. Some of the things I've used, they're great. Other things I've used have not been so great. And now I'm getting stickers, notepads, but the stickers and the notepad? The little Post-it note, like, come on. That's not even makeup related. And I never complain. I never complain because I have nothing to complain about. But this is so disappointing that, like, I need to, like, let you guys know that, like, if you ever thought of buying this, like, I wouldn't. To me, it's a waste, because that's 2 days without getting makeup products at all. 2 days for $45. If I wanted a notepad, I would go to Target and get like a notepad. If I wanted stickers, I'd go to Target. I wouldn't want to buy a Sephora advent calendar for that. This is not how I thought today was gonna go for this video. I thought I was gonna be like, oh, like that's not so bad, like it's gonna be fine. But like, 2 days of getting stuff that Sephora doesn't even sell? Do they sell notepads and stickers? No! You sell makeup! Alright, since there was a little rant in the beginning, I figured to make this video positive, because I always want to build a positive video, I will show you guys my dogs, because you hear me talk about them, but I never show them. So, this is Icy. She's an all-black German Shepherd. Look at how cute she is. Hi, baby. Hi. She is 3 years old, and she still acts like she's 1. But, What? She's so cute. Look at this face. Look at this baby. And then the one that's growling at her right now because she's touching her, this is Diamond. Hi, Diamond. Don't be a brat today. Diamond is 4 years old, and she is a Siberian Husky. Are you liking your camera time? Oh, thank you, Icy. Huh? She's my little cuddle bug. Yeah, aren't you? Well, those are my 2 crazy dogs that you always hear barking or hear me talk about. And I just wanted to show you guys them because they're super cute. I don't know what the heck she was just doing, but they're super cute. And I love them, and I'm the biggest dog lover that there ever is. Like, these dogs have so many toys. It's ridiculous. I'll show you. There's a bunch of toys. Here's more toys. More toys. And you know what the funny thing is? Oh, and even more toys. The best part of it is that they literally will empty these bins to find one certain toy. And then they just play with them. All of them. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Let me flip my screen up so I can see what I'm doing. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a positive note on this video since I was highly disappointed with the Sephora guide. Not the Sephora guide, but the Sephora advent calendar. Also, other quick reminder. Not a reminder. But this top I'm wearing is from Victoria's Secret. It's super comfortable. My best friend, Olivia, got it for me. And it's so comfortable. She got it for me for Christmas. And it's so comfortable and so warm because it's got like a nice fuzzy underneath. So I wanted to show that. So if you want it, if you're just wondering, because I don't know, figured I would just put it on in there. So I hope you guys have a great day. Oh my goodness, this freaking camera is... I need a new tripod after Christmas, okay? That's all I'm saying. So I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, or night. Whenever you see this one, it's posted. It's nighttime for me here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow my video is going to be pretty cool. I hope you guys will I think you guys will really enjoy it. It's going to be awesome. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!